Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the snap style and placing the garment on a wood block. This supports the work and prevents damage. Once confirmed, angle a small flathead or awl under the snap edge to lift the seam washer slightly, and make short, controlled pries rather than forcing. You want to separate the visible cap from the post without stretching fabric. Make sure to keep the lifted metal low and steady so you don't tear fibers, and prepare pliers for the next step. Once you have a gap, grip the exposed flange with flat or needle nose pliers and apply a gentle twisting pull. This works because the snap parts are crimped rather than welded. If the back is a rivet, flip the piece and use a center punch or small drill to drive the post through the block, removing pressure from the fabric. You use short strokes and regrip as needed, which prevents sudden tears. Make sure to keep the fabric supported under the work to preserve its shape. After the snap is out, trim any sharp burrs and press the area flat. If there's a small hole, stabilize it with a tiny iron-on patch or a few reinforcing stitches. Once the surface is prepped, test fit the replacement snap and ensure male and female align perfectly before crimping to avoid misset snaps. If you encounter stubborn metal that won't budge, stop and resupport the fabric, then use a center punch to free the post. This prevents ripping and keeps the repair neat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.